Hi everyone, welcome back to Shadi Notes. So today we are here at Radisson नाथद्वारा. ये होटल लोकेटेड है नियर ओडन सर्कल नाथद्वारा.
Welcome to the Radisson नाथद्वारा.
Hello, I'm Shiv. Today at Radisson Nathद्वारा, we have a team of Shadi Notes with us to show you around our property.
इंडोर सेलिब्रेशंस के लिए रेडिसन नाथद्वारा में 2 बैंक्वेट हॉल्स है नेम्ड एज सूर्या मंडल एंड तारा मंडल.
So it is the banquet hall which is on the 7th floor of our hotel. It is called Ballroom. It has a capacity of 150 people who can sit here and have a conference or a social event or a social gathering. Plus, we have a floating crowd in this banquet hall of 300 packs. And we have an open space as well over here with this banquet, which is this banquet terrace, where you can have your sundowner parties and in weddings also we have a lot of fairas set up over here. So you can use like in multiple ways this banquet terrace. So it is basically Taramandal Hall, banquet hall. It has a capacity of around 250 people who can sit here, and a floating crowd of around 500 people can accommodate in this banquet hall. Its name is Taramandal and it has a lovely vibe to it. So the size of this banquet hall is 5,000 square feet and it can accommodate up to 500 people.
ये बैंक्वेट हॉल्स फुली एयर कंडीशन है और साउंड प्रूफ भी. विद डीजे अलाउड टिल 11 PM. यहाँ आप हल्दी, मायरा, सज्जन गोट या डीजे पार्टीज जैसे फंक्शंस प्लान कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर टोटल 2 लॉन्स है एंड दिस इज द फ्रंट लॉन विद अ टोटल एरिया ऑफ 22,000 स्क्वायर फीट एंड दिस लॉन कैन अकोमोडेट अप टू 400 पैक्स इन सीटिंग एंड 500 in floating. This is the back lawn with the total area of 27,000 square feet and it can accommodate up to 800 people at a time. और ये स्पेस संगीत या रिसेप्शन के लिए परफेक्ट है.
So this is our base category room, which is Superior Valley View room. Please come inside. So we have 75 of this kind of rooms, okay, and it is of 324 square feet in size, and it has a lovely view of the Aravali Hills here. You can have a look, and it has all the basic amenities what you have in a 5-star hotel. So this is a deluxe room with terrace category, and we have 9 of these kind of rooms here. So we have 9 rooms on the same floor, that is the 8th floor here, and we have a lovely terrace with this room attached to it. You can have a look. You can have a lovely look here. You'll have a Shiva statue view here, and then you have a lovely small pond over here, so you have a nice landscape view also.
With 160 rooms, elegant banquet halls and grand lawns, Radisson Nathद्वारा offers the perfect space for every wedding celebrations.
So this is the category which is premium suite with balcony. This is the living area. You have a sofa in the living area and ample space to sit down. Plus you have a kitchenette here. You can make small meals here. And then you have a separate washroom for the living space. And then you have a bedroom. Attached to it is its bathroom and its dressing area. And then you have a balcony attached to it. You have a nice view from this balcony of Shiva statue. So it's our all-day dining multi-cuisine restaurant. It is named Akash Ganga Restaurant. It has 126 covers in this restaurant. and we serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner over here. Plus, we have a separate area in this restaurant also. You can check out this.
पार्किंग स्पेस की बात करें तो यहाँ 60 व्हीकल्स पार्क हो सकते हैं एंड वैलिड सर्विसेज आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल हियर. To ensure uninterrupted celebrations, this venue provides backup in banquet halls in case of rain, lift access, and backup power of gensets. Maharana Pratap Airport is 55 kilometers away from Radisson Hotel, and the railway station is 28 kilometers away. So that was our tour of Radisson Nathdwara, and for more venue tours, subscribe to Shadi Notes.